Good morning guys, today is Monday. Walang pasok yung mga bata kasi meron silang remote learning. Pero may mga homework sila sa bahay. Tapos kapag babalik na sa school, ipapasa nila yun. Pero yung high school ko, meron silang online school. And then today, we are waiting for the people that's gonna do the renovation for our master's bedroom.
Yeah, go ahead. That's about it. There ain't much room up top here.
Our tandem won't know much of probably unless the back's all the way up.
Good morning guys, today is Tuesday. Nasabi ko kahapon na mag-uumpisa sila ng renovation today. So nandito na sila at nag-uumpisa na silang gumawa doon sa aming master's bedroom sa baba. So yan sila guys, yung dump truck yesterday. Sabi nung gagawa dyan, marami siyang tauhan. So, I hope mabilis lang sila. So, tatanggalin yung mga dingding at saka yung carpet na luma. Yun. Hi. Good morning. Yun.
Okay. 9 o'clock now.
Gawa muna tayong kape, guys. Dito na yung cup ni Mr. Nagkape na yun kanina pero magkakape pa yan ulit kasi sumasabayan sa akin magkape, kaya siya double coffee sa umaga. Bumili si Mr. ng chicken nuggets, so siguro yung lulutuin ko ngayong umaga. Ito siya, oh. Yan ang almusal ng mga bata. Maya-maya ko nalulutuin yung chicken nuggets kasi I'm sure wala pang kakainin ngayon. Busy pa sila. Si Mr. may meeting. Then yung mga bata pala walang pasok guys kasi meron silang snow days, homeschool. I'm thankful na hindi ko naabutan yung online class na yan. Kasi pag walang pasok, wala talagang pasok. O, diba, libre. Gumagawa ako ng pizza ngayon. Ito yung ating leftover dough. Last time na gumawa ako ng pizza. Hindi siya masisira. Basta nasa fridge lang siya. Yan guys, marami tayong pepperoni. Kaya nilalagay ko na lang siya lahat. Kasi yung mga bata mahilig sa pepperoni. So, ilagay na natin lahat kasi sayang naman kung magtitira pa tayo tapos hindi na magagamit. Naubusan ako ng mozzarella so konti yung natira. Pinaghati ko na lang tapos hinaluan ko ng Mexican blend cheese. Same siya nung ginawa ko nung nakaraan, ang Hawaiian pizza. Yan na guys, yung ating second batch ng pizza. In-overload ko na siya kasi masasayang yung ibang ingredients.
Basically, you're gonna have 6 feet in. Right here, right. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you're gonna have a beam right here.
And then here.
And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then a beam right here.
So, yan na yung ating mga pizza, guys. Ito, pinapalamig ko pa ng konti. Kasi kakatanggal ko lang sa oven. Oh, pizza boy.
Pizza chef. Oh, sarang na screening.
Makaon pa, guys. So, ayan guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa aming master's bedroom. First day progress ng aming renovation dito. Yung mga nagtrabaho kanina, umalis na sila. So, it's time for me to check what's been done today. Let's go! So, ayan guys, nilagyan nila ng yellow tape para bawal pasukan actually. Kasi may bata dito. So, yan. Kasi yung mga wires yata hindi na ano. Hana, you stay there, okay? So, ito yung room. So, bali, dalawang room siya. Ito, at saka to. So, bali, pag-iisahin namin siya. So, now, let's go to the first one. Natanggal na yung mga dingding. Ayan. And then we're gonna go to the other side. So there's a closet before, but they take it all away because it's gonna be a one room. So this one, they're gonna do this tomorrow and then put some beam. So that's the plan. They're gonna put a beam here, and then they're gonna remove all of that. So let's go to the next one. Yan guys, they were so quick. So look at this. No more walls, guys. Yeah, so this is the old bathroom. So everything will be new. And look at that. That's a live wires. Yan guys, there used to be a bathtub there. And then toilet bowl there. And then the sink here before. They did a good job today. It's a closet there before and they take it all away. So yeah, I'm happy for the progress that they did today. Morning guys. So today is January 8th. Ito ang ating mga purple na kamote. Yan. So, gagawa ako ng bilo-bilo. Guys, kung naririnig mo, tuloy-tuloy ang renovation. This is the second day of our renovation. Ayan na yung ating malagkit na powder. Nilagyan ko na ng tubig at saka konting asin. And then, some glutinous rice powder too. Para pag binilog ko to, ilalagay ko siya dito. And then, para hindi siya dumikit, lalagyan natin ng konting powder. So yan guys, hindi po yan ube. So purple kamote po yan. Ito na yung ating bilo-bilo. Pinapakulo ko lang yung sago. So hintayin ko lang na mag-transparent siya. And then ready na ilagay yung ating mga sago. And guys, transparent na yung ating sago. So ilalagay ko na tong mga bilo-bilo. Kakalagay ko lang ng gata. So yan guys, luto na yung ating bilo-bilo. Yan, naglagay din pala ako ng konting langka dyan.
I like the little mochi because it's like little big things from the boba. You know what you drink?
The tapioca or yeah.
It's good.
So, yung tawag niya sa bilo-bilo guys, mochi daw.
What else are you making, Mom?
Sinigang.
Okay.
Mommy, sinigang.
Yes, with that one.
I love sinigang.
Yeah. Mama is making sinigang too.
Sinigang plus rice plus this equals it's gonna be good.
Yep.
I mean, it's both.
Yan na, bumaba na sila guys. How is it?
It's good.
Yeah?
I mean, it's cold.
It is cold.
It's cold because it's cold.
How is it? Is it good?
Yeah. You know what it tastes like, Mom?
You guys miss it? So yan guys, nagustuhan nila yung bilo-bilo. So yan. Yan, nagluluto na ako ngayon ng sinigang at saka nilaga. So, parang ano lang yun, merienda. Merienda muna bago yung lunch. So actually, pag gumagawa talaga ako nito, minsan parang lunch dinner na rin siya. Pagkagabi, pag nanonood sila, mag-i-snack na lang yan sila.
I can't wait for the sinigang.
Dito kami sa labas. We're going to the room where they're renovating right now. It's the master's bedroom.
Whoa.
So this is the update today. Let's go to the bathroom. Okay, so they take all the stuff in here from yesterday. It's already clean. And let's go in this side. So they start to remove the stairs because this is supposed to be all covered from there to here, and the stairs is gonna go away because this is all gonna be open. So that's the beam that they installed today. So from here in the room going down to the basement, it could be supporting the roof on this side. Yeah, so they turn off the electricity here. They were doing the wirings. That's the beam that they installed today. This one here. There's two support on that. So one here to the basement, and then this is the other one to the basement. And they were finishing the wirings too. Yeah, so tomorrow they're gonna close that hole.
Yep.
In there.
And they're using the wood from the stairs to make the joist.
Yeah, that's nice. Because it's a good wood.
Yeah. See, like this one right here.
Yeah.
Is from the stairs.
So that's the steps from the stairs, and then they're gonna put it all in here to cover this hole, and then they're gonna put a floor.
And right there where the wood is on the post, and on that one too, they're gonna put big bolts that run through there.
Okay.
So it's never gonna move. And then he's gonna have some plates that connect this to this, and same thing with down there.
This is a nice view.